Hi everyone, and thank you so much for watching my newest videos of, the show and tell bracelet and the old versus new past um making the bracelets and redoing some of them. I did a new video called the Remake Your Bracelet, and I'm glad you guys liked those type of videos, so I'll try to do another one. This is one of my original bracelets that I did about 10 years ago. But now let's try to remake it and see what we can come up with. You'll need some string and a scissor. If you want to take your bracelet apart, just open up your beads like this. Put your finger underneath the string and cut it like this. Watch it. You don't take your finger off. All right. We don't want to make that bracelet. We want to make it prettier. So let's make it prettier. Take the beads out. Every time when I get a little anxious, I breathe a little bit heavier because I sometimes get a really excitable and I can't control my excitement. Does that happen to you guys? Anyway, here are the beads. Let's remake it. Take out enough to... This should be long enough. Cut the string. I'll show you how to cut it. Anyway, I'm just rambling on. Here we go. Let's do it in order. Green, yellow, red, green, yellow, oops, I'm doing it off camera. Sorry for you guys. Yellow. Scoot it all down. This is what it should look like so far. Green, yellow, red, green, yellow, red. Take that red bead and stick it through that hole. I like working with hair beads because they're a lot softer and they're smooth. They're not too heavy. And these are called hair beads. They make great jewelry. If you're interested in purchasing some, I found some on Amazon that carries the beads, or eBay has some. Check either Amazon or eBay. See, green, yellow, red, green, yellow, red. So obviously green is next. Green, yellow, red, green, yellow, red. Just come on. If you take it out, put it back in. Don't be afraid. If one side doesn't work, try the other side. I always do that. So I set green, yellow, and red. Let's do this. Alright. Doesn't that make it prettier? Make your X. Go under. Pull. Make another X. Go under. Pull. Make another X. Go under. Pull. Make an X. Go under. And pull one more time for luck. Make an X. Go under. Pull. Now if you want to flatten that knot out, just pull really tight like this. This is a neat trick I discovered. Keep pulling until the knot is really flat. Don't worry, this string is so strong, you're not going to break it. Alright. Take your two ends. Get it as close as possible. Remove the excess. Now to hide it, you just pull through the hole. The hole got to be big enough to go through, like that. There you have it. Green, yellow, red, green, yellow, red, green, yellow, red, green, yellow, red, green, yellow, red. There you have it. Much better than it turned out. Oh, we missed one. If this is your leftover, you can either save it for another project or throw it out. But that was all I had, so you missed one. It happens. If it happens to you, don't panic. Set it aside. You can make a ring out of it, or you can use it for a necklace. You can make a necklace out of this one bead, or you can just throw it away. Since I have no more of this kind, I'll probably end up throwing it away. There's nothing really else you can do. You can make a necklace out of this if you like the color, or repaint it over. And, or make a ring out of it too. Or some type of doily to satisfy your not wasting it. So use your imagination what you want to do to the leftovers. But this is what I have. So let me see on my... Yep, this is 7 inches. So I wear a 7-inch size wrist. What is your wrist size? Well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys are entertained. Thank you so much for liking the other videos. Continue to watch my other videos to see what you can learn or find. And if you want to purchase any of the materials, I get them all from Amazon or eBay. So, thank you so much for liking this video. Give me a good thumbs up. And, kid-friendly video. And I hope you guys like this remake video. So, stay tuned for others. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for stopping by. And thank you for coming. Please come again. And don't forget to tell friends and family. And if you want to, you can please subscribe to my channel. It's free. I'll never ask you guys for any information. So whatever you do is your business. So have a good day.